do they read the whole report from A to Z? What they're looking for when they go there is when they have a question. And that's when they're concerned about something, that something has triggered. Sometimes it's positive. It's also I need to make an investment decision, need a purchasing decision that can be... But they go already with knowledge of the companies and they want their questions answered. And that's the opportunity of a company to explain its decisions that can often be in a difficult area, but to explain it. And most readers, when they've read really a report that is honest, open, about the issues, they leave the report with a better impression of the company. It doesn't mean that the company has to say everything is hunky-dory, it's all paradise here. The reader knows it isn't like that. The reader knows the company operates in the real world and that choices are needed. And that's what I try to explain with this biofuels question. It's around so many issues. But when the company really takes the opportunity to explain there to a captive audience, or to an interested audience, why it has taken certain decisions and how it relates to the overall company strategy. That's, in that moment, it's communicating with an interested reader. And to its advantage.
First, on behalf of all of us, thank you for having given us your... both your Saturday evening for our Saturday evening live and also your Sunday morning. It's been enlightening for us, and I hope that we can continue our interest and collaboration with GRI. Thank you.
Thank you, George, and it is a pleasure to be here. I don't often speak on Sunday morning, so but because EBBF was among the first to be working with GRI, I thought we should do this. But it's been a real pleasure meeting you here. Go to our website if this has triggered your interest, because it's an open community like EBBF. It is welcome. Work with us and help us to make it better.
Thank you.
He's one of the people that gets very important retributions for his keynotes, and he just forgave his Sunday and everything else, so it's very generous. Just like all the presenters here, none of them actually asked for any contribution at all. That's very important recognition that it's a place worthwhile being and presenting at, so really appreciate it. That's why the conference fees are so low. A couple of you have not paid your conference fee yet. Really appreciate if you can show the generosity that presenters have done and just go and pay your fees. Christina will be there at the door, so anybody that doesn't yet can pay will be great. We're not alone. We're not just 170 people here. Online and live, Karim has been posting the articles of what has happened in the last few days. You can see Victoria, you can see Arthur. Oh, he's eating. Somebody's eating. Okay, good. That's a good sign. So you can see all the articles. We've been videoing the conference, so you'll see all the videos there. From which countries are these people coming?
Okay, now this is the element which is new to your conference, but which has been part of IEF conference from the very start in 1997. We have 39 participants registered on email, registered via email for the electronic part of the conference. That will afterwards anyway be, open to anyone to look at all the postings. But our participants come from Norway, Japan, Guyana, Sweden, Bolivia, Honduras, France, Czech Republic, Greece, Lesotho, Malaysia, Chile, China, UK, Australia, Canada, and the US. So, they're not alone.
The rest of the program. 11 o'clock, Victoria will be presenting. I'm sure she's there, she is, so she's ready for that. And can I just ask the board members to stay here, please, and enjoy a quick coffee.